Very good morning to all of you. Start your trading day with Karvy Morning Moves. Large cap indices closed higher on a Monday after falling from two straight sessions. This was helped by a rally in the most of the trade sensitive counters as the participants awaited for the results of RBI policy meet scheduled tomorrow. Nifty 50 ended 0.52% higher at 8,128 levels, while the Sensex closed at 0.45% higher at 26,349 levels. Equity benchmark recouped closes in the afternoon trade with a Nifty climb above 8,100 levels, covering the European peers. Hit hard by the liquidity crunch, service sector continues its November at its sharpest rate in 3 years. The Nikkei India Service PMI, which tracks service sector companies on a monthly basis, stood at 46.7 in November, down from 54.5 in October. On reading above 50 min, the sector is expecting a score below this mark signal contraction. India VIX has lost nearly 3.60% and closed at 17.28, indicating cooling in the volatility for the short term. On the global front, market is European recovered slightly after earning losses and closed in the high on Monday following the announcement from the Italy Prime Minister that he instead to resign after the default in the key referendum. Even US large cap equity indices, European indices and close in a positive territory. Going forward, the economical slowdown due to demonetisation is expected to save off a percentage point from the GDP growth, and so rate cut at this point could emerge private sector loan off taken and sterling will be needed. However, the US Fed is likely to increase in the policy rate in mid-December. If that happens, the interest rate difference between the India and the US will narrow, and this shall make it unattractive for the foreign participants to pump up fresh money in India. Most of the polls suggest RBI may cut the rate by 25 basis points. Globally, the sentiments was affected after Italy Prime Minister resigned, raising political uncertainty in the European market. Technically, Nifty is flirting with a short-term 21 days moving average and is a long-term 200 days moving average. Hence, a strong sustenance beyond them shall trigger a next major move into the market. For now, the support are placed at 8040, 8060 zone and below it is at 7960, 7980 zone, while the resistance is pegged at 8160, 8170 and above it's at 8220, 8230 zone. Therefore, for the day, we recommend a trader to sell Nifty below 8100 levels for the downside target of 8020, 8050 level with the stop loss placed above 8150 levels. For a day, we have 5 calls, out of which we are giving 3 long and 2 shorts. AB Lenovo is long at 1252, keeping stop loss of 1222 for a target of 1297. BHL is long above 1438, keeping stop loss of 1418 for a target of 1468. Bharti Airtel is long at 324, keeping stop loss of 317 for a target of 334.5. Shriram Transport Finance is a sell call at 891, keeping stop loss on 918 for a target of 850. Voltas is a sell call below 304, keeping stop loss of 311 for a target of 293.5. Have a nice trading session. Thank you.